So hello guys and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to archive buckets. So the first thing you want to check out is the left side of the screen once you're logged into your Microsoft Planner account. From there you can see plans, tasks, my days. So from there I'm just going to open up and show you how would a bucket look like. So buckets are these things that show up in the top part of your manually added tasks. So you can see it's called backlog, up next, in progress, blocked, and you have many more options. So you can name them basically whatever you want. Now there isn't a clear-cut way to archive them. So one thing that you can do is actually just call them archive and then send tasks that are for archive into that bucket. And one thing that you can do for a certain bucket is to send it to Excel. So you can do that with basically any plan. You can export plan to Excel, and from there you can just after that remove a plan if you want to delete it, but you can't. So you can click on this. You can't really, there isn't an archive button or an archive built-in feature for the Microsoft Planner. So you'll just need to find a workaround solution, like maybe going to Excel through your plans and then finding that uh, bucket right there, and then afterwards just removing it on MS Planner itself. If you found this information helpful or useful, you can like the video. You can also share the video. You can subscribe to the channel and click the notification bell to get notified about new videos on Microsoft Planner or some other topics you might enjoy as well. See you guys in the next one. Goodbye.